Hi friends, my name is Aditya Putsala. I have completed my graduation in 2021 as a electronics and communication engineering. So I have applied several jobs for IT department, but I couldn't crack the interviews properly. So I have joined GUVI for further development in the IT. So I have took the data science course. Actually, I have joined in the class of DW10. Going on, I have gathered much knowledge in the DW10 class, and the personal mentors and each and every doubt session clarification are very useful for solving the problems in hacker rank, hacker earth, and so on, so much. And after that, I have learned many machine learning models which helped me to create some other projects which they have given. After that, I am getting some placement opportunities through the GUVI. So thank you, GUVI.